Go, Maggie, it's your birthday. Go, Maggie, it's your birthday. Go, 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 Maggie. Hey, hey. Greetings, darlings. Thank you so much for joining me in part 2 on how to make these cute little overalls for Maggie. Yay! In this video, we're going to go ahead and complete this project. I want to thank you so much for watching. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so, because we're going to make so many dolls. Oh my God, you're going to have so much fun. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next project. I am using the fabric fuse to hem the edges of the pocket. However, you could also sew it with a really cute complementary color, and that would actually add a little detail that would be really nice. I was going to sew the overalls, but at the last minute I decided to use the fabric fuse because it would be easier for me to record on the camera on my computer. what I'm really thinking is, Lord, please let these pants fit. Am I going to have to cut it out again? Am I going to have to, like, I don't know. I feel so bad that I don't like to use a measuring tape. I mean, I guess that would help. But I like to eyeball things. I like to eyeball things and just see if it works. This is the very reason my daughter doesn't like for me to cook, because I'll say, well, can't we just put it in there and see what happens? And my daughter always says, Mom, you can't do that, because it will change the texture of the batter if you just pour things in it. But that's just my personality in general. I just like to do what I want to do. I like to break rules and, you know, and just have fun. I am using the dowel to turn the straps inside out, and I just clipped a little bit of the edges that had like some of the fabric fuse glue. It was a little bit too much. I am using hot glue to tack the straps down in the back of the overalls. It really works well. I didn't use the fabric fuse because I was impatient. I just wanted to hurry up and get them on her. But I wouldn't use I wouldn't use hot glue in general for clothes, because I think it would make it a little bulky in terms of the seams. But in terms of adding like little things, I think it's okay. These are the moments that I absolutely live for when I'm creating a project. When I start to add the little details like the lace and the ribbons. I mean, like, I don't know if it's because I'm finishing the project, or is it because these little pieces, you know how they say the devil is in the details or something like that. But it's something about this part of it that really excites me, and I just can't wait to see the finished product. If you do decide to use a hot glue gun, make sure that you use one with a very low setting, especially on, well, I would say on any fabric. You don't really need that much power for, especially a fabric, something as light as lace, and then this is a light cotton. But in general, if I was using hot glue on clothes, I would use something low. Oh my God, I found these cute little Ladybug Buttons at Joann's, and they were probably, I think they were like either like $1.99 or $2.99, I don't remember, but the little Ladybug fabric and with the Ladybug buttons, I mean, come on guys, I mean, who could resist this project, right? I am using a pen to hold the button in place. Additionally, it helps me when I am threading the needle through the hole of the button onto the fabric. I am now sewing the Ladybug button onto Maggie's ear to act as an earring. It's so cute. I am using floral wire that I bought from the dollar store. It is so light and easy to bend. You don't need any tools to be able to bend it into that shape. I am using the wire pliers to make the end a little pointy, but I really could have just used my fingers. I know Maggie is super excited. She's probably thinking, I'm finally getting some clothes, for the love of God. I know, like, what is this, video 8? And she's finally wearing clothes. Yay for Maggie! I am adjusting the straps before I use the hot glue to tack it down. Now in this video, it just made me so nervous to take the hot glue gun across her face because, you know, some of that could have fallen on her. So guys, please don't do this, generally speaking. I was just trying to film it for you. Okay, seriously though, I am in love. I am in love. This completes part 2 on how to make the overalls for Maggie. In the next video, we're going to go over how to make these cute, oh my god, look at here, these ladybug shoes for your Maggie doll to complete her outfit. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next project.